Adolf Hitler's rise to power in Germany and his violation of the Treaty of Versailles marked a pivotal period in modern history, intertwining political, economic, and social dynamics that dramatically shifted the course of world events. After the end of World War I in 1918, the Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919, imposing severe conditions on Germany. These included massive reparations to the Allies that devastated the German economy, restricting the German army to 100,000 soldiers, and prohibiting advanced weaponry. Significant territorial losses and accepting full responsibility for the war left the German populace feeling humiliated and resentful. Consequently, Germany plunged into a deep economic crisis characterized by hyperinflation, mass unemployment, and political instability, fostering an environment ripe for radical change. Amidst this chaos, Adolf Hitler emerged as a significant political figure. Joining the small German Workers' Party in 1919, Hitler's oratory skills quickly propelled him to leadership, and he renamed the party the National Socialist German Workers' Party, better known as the Nazi Party. The Nazi Party's promises to annul the Treaty of Versailles, resurrect German pride, and combat communists and Jews resonated with many Germans. Despite a failed coup in 1923 and subsequent imprisonment during which he authored Mein Kampf, Hitler's strategy evolved to legitimate political ascent. Capitalizing on the Great Depression's devastation after 1929, by 1932, the Nazi Party had gained the most seats in the German parliament, leading to Hitler's appointment as Chancellor by President Paul von Hindenburg on January 30, 1933. The Reichstag fire in February 1933 allowed Hitler to push the Enabling Act, securing extraordinary powers and establishing his totalitarian regime. With complete control, Hitler covertly rearmed Germany, contravening the Treaty of Versailles. Hitler reintroduced conscription in 1935, built the forbidden Luftwaffe, and reoccupied the demilitarized Rhineland in 1936 without resistance. This was compounded by alliances with Italy and Japan, the annexation of Austria in 1938, and the occupation of Czechoslovakia. Despite these clear violations, European powers, exhausted from World War I and grappling with the Great Depression, resorted to appeasement, hoping to avoid a new conflict. However, Hitler's invasion of Poland on September 1, 1939, forced Britain and France to act, declaring war and igniting World War II. This narrative underscores the complexities of economic despair, political missteps, and strategic manipulation that facilitated Hitler's ascendancy, serving as a stark reminder of the perils of appeasement in the face of aggression.